This bird does not fly to hunt. It walks to kill. These legs are weapons. And snakes are its favorite target. Ends the fight. Venom means nothing here. This bird fears no poison. Because speed is only part of the story. What makes it deadly is precision. The secretary bird hunts with patience. Every step is calculated.
It is one of Africa's tallest birds of prey.
Light body, powerful legs. It can walk over 20 kilometers a day. Snakes are not its only prey. Rodents, lizards, even birds. Its wings are shields during attacks. Each kick delivers crushing force. Fights end quickly. Water is taken when needed. Built for endurance. Territory matters. Encounters are rare. This is a warning. Conflict is avoided. Energy is saved for hunting. Daylight defines its rhythm. Hunting never stops. But survival has a cost. Morning begins with movement. Vision guides every step. Movement reveals danger. Wings become shields. Precision ends resistance. Speed follows accuracy. Threat confirmed. Energy. Energy is conserved. Midday tests endurance. Recovery is quick. Hunger does not wait. Every opportunity counts. Food is secured. The hunt continues. Focus never breaks. Daylight fades. Rest becomes priority. Tomorrow brings the same fight. Despite hunting on the ground, it nests above danger. Every branch is placed with purpose. Life begays slowly. Protection never stops. Survival starts vulnerable. Every meal is earned. Strength is built, not given. Balance comes before power. Lessons are shown, not spoken. Instinct awakens. Time sharpens skill. Sharpens skill. Experience decides the outcome. Victory is silent. But threats are changing. Human land divides the wild. Adaptation becomes necessary. Space means survival. The hunt never truly ends. But balance still exists. As long as space remains. Silence follows strength. Not all killers roar. Some walk quietly. This is the true life of the secretary bird.
After watching this real story, what lesson did you learn today? Share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe